Categories help in organizing content and searching for relevant media within your portal. Media with similar topics can be collectively bundled and stored in playlists, which further improves its search effectiveness. VIDIZMO users can showcase their most popular or most significant categories on the homepage of the portal as featured. Setting category as featured allows users to give prominence and quick access to their content. In this video, we will be looking at featuring categories on homepage in VIDIZMO. Click on the navigation menu from the top left of your portal's homepage and select Portal Settings under the Admin tab. From the Portal Settings page, expand the Home Page tab and select the Featured Category tab. The Featured Categories section lists categories that have been marked as featured. To add a new category to the list, use the search bar to locate it. Selecting the category from the list of matching results adds it to the list. Click on Update once you're done reordering. Hovering the mouse over a category enables the controls to drag and drop to your preferred position. This enables users to control the order of the categories on the homepage as per their preference. To unmark a category as featured, select the categories you wish to remove from the Featured Categories list and click on the Remove button at the bottom of the screen. You can also click on the Remove icon at the right side of the featured category to remove it from the featured categories. Once you're done, click on Update. Your featured categories will be displayed on the homepage based on the order you set. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.